I have earned 7,760 naira on Xfmusic. If you look here, if you look at my balance here, you will see 7,760 naira. This is exactly how much I have earned on this platform. If you are still looking for how to make money online in Nigeria, this app is paying massively right now. For you to make money from this platform, you only need to listen to music every single day, right? From Monday to Saturday. Listening to music on this platform is very, very simple. This is how I listen to music and get paid on this platform. If I go to task here, if I click on task, it's going to take me to the task hall, as you can see. But if I click any of these music right now, I won't be able to listen to them because today is Sunday. You can only listen to this music from Monday to Saturday, right? So if I click it, you will see what it's going to tell me. As you see, you cannot accept task on Sunday. So you can only listen from Monday to Saturday, right? If you have not registered on this platform, this is the best opportunity for you to register now and start making money from Xfmusic. Let me show you the simple registration process. For you to register on Xfmusic, simply click the first link in the video description. It is going to take you to this page. Once you come here, the first thing you should do is to enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, you set up your login password, right? Confirm your login password. Then under verification code here, this is what you are going to enter, this code here. So enter it here, then you click register now, right? Register now. So once you click register now, your account will be created successfully. Once you have created your account, the next thing you should do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal and also set up your withdrawal password. Let me also show you how you can actually do that. Once you are logged into your account, simply click My here. Once you click on My, it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, click this XM logo at the top left. Then as you can see, this is full name, bank account, login password, withdrawal password, right? So once you come here, the first thing you should do is to click on full name, enter your full name as it is in your bank account. Then enter your bank account right here. Then under withdrawal password, enter any 4-digit PIN you will be using to withdraw your money from this platform, right? Because whenever you want to withdraw from this platform, they are going to ask you for your withdrawal password. This is where you are going to set it here, right? This is where you are going to set it up. So once you have set everything from this page, the next thing you should do is to deposit money in your account. I have showed you the detailed process on how to do that in a separate video. I will leave the link to that video in the video description so that you can watch step-by-step process on how to deposit money in your account, right? I also showed you how to perform your task on this platform and make money on daily basis. I will also leave the link to that video in the video description. Ensure to watch all these videos so that you don't make any mistake, right? Those videos will show you step-by-step process on how to do everything on this platform. Go ahead, create your account and start making money from this platform. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.